Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So, in this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted logos, watermark, letters in Snapseed app. Snapseed app download link in description. So, watch the video till the end. Let's start. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. Now, to open a photo, just click on open and select the photo you want to remove watermark. Okay, so this is the watermark I'm going to remove. To remove the watermark, just go to the tool section and select healing tool. Click on healing tool. Now zoom the photo towards the watermark. Now just brush on the watermark like this. Brush carefully. And you can see the magic. Before, after. Click on apply. Like this, you can remove any unwanted watermark, letters and logos. And to save the picture, just click on download symbol and click on export.